Instructional Technology Education Center. Basically what we heard yesterday in that pitch was that there is all of these standards that the educators have to meet as part of what is called the Common Core when they teach these children. And there are a ton of resources out on the web, there's mobile apps, there's videos, there's all kinds of stuff that educators can use to facilitate getting everyone to that Common Core. Problem is that information is all over the place and it's extremely hard to kind of pull it together. Also coupled with the fact that a lot of the teachers that are going to need to use this stuff aren't really super tech folks, right? So we needed to find a simple way for them to be able to search for what they're looking for to be able to get this information. So we created a site called Common Core that basically allows an educator to go in and search on some various parameters to find the information that they need. The one thing that we heard, the big takeaway, was that we needed to make this very simple. So we didn't want to have people try to search on like way too many fields. We wanted to keep it really simple. So we focused on grade, subject, and then keywords, because a lot of times, you know, a lot of people are going to put information there too. So if you click language arts in the subject, okay, and you scroll down, you'll see that you are bringing up all of the language arts resources that are out there, and they tie to the actual standard code. So you can then click one of those external internet resources, and it'll take you to that site where you can look at the information and pull down what you need. So you can sort in obviously all these different ways, but given the fact that we're going to run out of time, the bigger piece to this that we wanted to focus on was that we wanted the content to be sort of real time and that anyone could upload content to this with an approval filter. So if you go down to the bottom of the site, you'll see a found a resource, click here to upload. From here, an educator, if they find something great in the iTunes store, an app, they find something great on the web, they can go ahead and put this information in, attach a link in it, and it will then submit up to an approver who through a workflow would be able to look at that and approve it, and then it'll funnel back into the database. So the idea is that it's constantly generating new content for educators to use. Now, we got as far as being able to submit a piece of content. We would also have to, obviously there would have to be an approval process that goes along with this, but it could really be done through like a simple CMS tool that someone can log in and admin, look at what's there, determine if it's appropriate, and then accept or decline. Any questions? Common Core. We also built this using Drupal, just so you guys know, which is very similar to WordPress, so it doesn't necessarily take a developer to be able to maintain it. And also, it needs to be overlaid with some really nice creative. But we just wanted to work on the functionality of it. Yeah?
Would this be implemented per school, per district?